In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Word document into Confluence. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're tasked with organizing or sharing a lot of information within your team. So whether you're collaborating on projects, documenting processes, or just want to keep everything neatly in one place, importing documents into Confluence can simplify your workflow. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Confluence account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is where you have all your information organized and where you can access the content you and your team are working on. If you haven't set up your workspace yet, don't worry. It's a pretty straightforward process and you can find plenty of resources on how to get that going. Once you're in your workspace, find the specific page where you'd like to attach the Word document. This is generally one of the existing spaces, or perhaps you're creating something new, but for this purpose, just ensure you're on the correct page that aligns with where you want the information from the Word document to reside. Next, you'll want to get into edit mode on the page where you're planning to add your Word document. To do this, simply click the edit button. If you're only intending to attach the file without opening the editor, you can view the page instead. Both actions are easy to do, but using the edit mode gives you the flexibility to position and format as needed. After you've entered edit mode, or even if you're just attaching, you're ready for the magic. Simply drag and drop your Word document right into the page editor. This step should be as simple as it sounds. Click on your Word file, drag it over to the Confluence page, and drop it there. Confluence automatically takes care of the uploading process for you, and depending on the size of the document, it might take a few moments. And there you have it. Your Word document is now part of your Confluence space, readily accessible for everyone who needs it. Remember, the beauty of Confluence is in its collaboration capabilities, as it allows teams to access and contribute to shared materials easily. That's all it takes to import a Word document into Confluence. It's a quick and easy process that allows you to integrate your existing documents into this powerful platform. Hopefully this has been helpful and you feel more prepared to manage your documents within Confluence. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.